Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from webcity.com, and today in this video tutorial I will teach you how to create an lead generation pop-up form by using Elementor, WP form and Popup Maker. So that is my website, and here you can see I create a session, and here basically I offer a free ebook, but when you click on the download option, it asking your first name, last name, email ID and phone number. So once you fill up all the information, next you have to click in the submit option. After submitting this form, you will get this download link, and when I click on this link, your ebook will get downloaded. So in this way you can easily collect user email ID, name and phone number, which later you can use as a lead generation purpose. So without wasting time, let me start to create the pop-up form. So that is my website dashboard. Now I have to install some essential plugin. So for that, hover on the plugin and click in the add new option. First of all, I have to search for the Elementor. So that is the Elementor website builder. Click in the install now option. After that, I have to click in the activate option. Again I have to click in the add new. Now I have to search for the WP form. Again I have to click in the install now option for the WP form. After that, again I have to click in the activate option for the WP form. So again hover on the plugin and click in the add new. Now here I have to search for the Popup Maker. First of all, click in the install now option for the Popup Maker, and once installation finish, click in the activate option. So next I have to create the form. So for that I have to click in the WP forms. Now for creating a new form, I have to click in this add new option. Already so many pre-built template is available. In the search bar, search for the lead. So here you can see the lead magnet download form. Click in this use template. Suppose I don't want this session, where did you hear about us? Click in the delete option, so this field will get deleted, and at that place I want phone number field. So drag and drop here like that. Now click on that field and the label will be phone number. It's required. Next click in the setup option, and here I am giving the form name as lead creation. After that, come back to the settings, come back to the confirmations. It's very important part. So in the confirmation message I am erasing this one, and here I am writing click here to download your ebook. Next, in another page, open dashboard, and from there you have to click in the media. So that is my media library. Now open the folder where you save your ebook. Suppose that is my ebook, basic of stock. Drag and drop it here like that in the media library. So once it uploaded, you have to click on that, and here you can see file URL. Click in this copy URL to clipboard. So here you can see it's already copied. Now I can come back here, select this text, and after that you have to click in this option. Next, here you have to paste that URL what you already copied. After that you have to click in this apply option. Again select the text and make it bold. After that I have to click in the save option. Next click in this cross option. So now I have to create the pop-up. For that you have to click in this Popup Maker. For creating the pop-up, first of all you have to click in this option, create pop-up. I am giving the pop-up name as lead generation, and here I am writing after submitting this form you will get your ebook download link. Come to the next line. After that you have to click in this add form option, and from this drop down I am selecting this one, lead creation, which one I just created. After that I have to click in the add form option. Now let me select this one and make it H4. Now I have to click in this add new trigger, and from this drop down I am selecting this one, click open. If you want to prevent pop-up from showing to the visitor again and again, you can always select this one, but I am not selecting this one. After that I have to click in the add option. Again I have to click in the add option. Now here you can see so many options is displaying. In the targeting option, if you want to disable this pop-up on the mobile devices or the tablet devices, you can always do that, but I am keeping it as it is. After that come back to the display. So from here you can select how your pop-up should display. I am choosing this one, center pop-up. After that come back to the appearance. So from there you can select so many themes available. So anyone you can select. I am choosing this one, light box. After that, if you want to customize the theme, always you can click in this option, customize the theme. Okay, I think I have to save it first of all. Click in the cancel and click in the publish. So you can scroll down, come back to the display option in appearance. If I click in the customize the theme option, so here you can see so many options is showing, and here a preview is showing here. Suppose the background color, I don't want black color, I want blue color. So when I choose blue, here you can see the background color become blue, but I am keeping it black only because it's looking good. The opacity always you can increase or decrease it. Suppose I am making it 80. Next, click in the container. So from here also you can manage the padding and the border radius. In the container you can change the background. Suppose I am selecting red color background, so the background will be become red. Let me make it white. Even from the border also you can change the border color, border thickness and all the thing. Even you can adjust the top shadow color and opacity and all the thing. After that, come back to the title. So from here you can change the title color. Even you can change the title font size, line height. So many things is available. You can change the alignment also. Now come back to the content. So from here you can select the content color, content font family, font weight and all the thing. And if you click in the close option, so what will be the close bottom text? Here you can see the X sign. So as you can see here the X sign is displaying. So if I change here something, like here I am writing close, so at the place of that close text is displaying. Let me make it X only because it's looking good. And even you can change the position also, like top right, top center, top left. So many options is available. So once done, scroll down and click in the update option. Again let me click in the all pop-ups, click in the lead generation. So now let me click in the size option. So you want a medium size pop-up or a big pop-up or a small pop-up, you can select. Suppose I am selecting here small. After that, in the animation you can choose the animation effect like slide, fade in, fade down. So many options is available. Suppose I am choosing slide. You can control the animation speed also. If you want to add some sound, always you can add that, like beep, beep 2. So many effects is available, but I am keeping it none. Next, position. So by default it will be middle center. If you want to change anything, you can always do it. After that, in the advanced option also, so many options is available. Let me keep them as it is. Come back to the close option. So here you can customize the close text, close button delay, all the thing. Click in the advanced option. Here keep them as it is, no need to change anything. So next what I have to do, again here I have to click in the update option. So let me come to the website. So here after ending this blog session and before this subscribe session, I want to create a lead generation session. So for that, come back to the dashboard and click in the pages. Hover on the home page and click in the edit with Elementor option. If you want to know how to create the pages and websites like that, then just come to the YouTube, search for the web SEO tips, click on my channel, and that is the video how to create an online course LMS website with WordPress and the tutor LMS. I will give this link in the video description. From there also you can access the video. So you can come back here. So in the home page, after finishing this blog session and before this subscription session, I want another session. Click in this add session option here. Now click in this plus option. I am taking single row and 2 column. I mean this one. Now I have to add a background image. So for that I have to click in this edit session option. Come back to the style option. Click in this classic. Click in the image. Suppose I am taking this image. Click in the insert media. After that, come back to the advanced option. Unlock the padding. Padding top I am taking around 50 and padding bottom also I am taking 50. Now again come back to the style option. I forgot to add one thing. In the position, make it center, size make it cover, and after that click in the background overlay and make it black color. After that I have to click in this plus option, and here I need the heading first of all, and my heading will be basic of stock. Come back to the style option and first of all let me make it white color. After that, if you want to increase the font size, always you can do that. I think this is enough. So now I need a text editor also. Click in this and drag and drop the text editor downside of the heading like that, and my subheading text will be this. Come back to the style option. First of all let me make it white color, and after clicking the typography, and I am taking it 20 pixel. Even I think 22 is also fine. So after that I need a button. Again click in this, and here I have to search for the button. Drag and drop the button here downside of the text editor like that, and here I am writing download. No need to enter anything in the link. And if you want to add any icon, you can click in this icon library, search for the download. Suppose I want this icon, click in the insert option, and icon position, make it after the size, make it middle. Next, come back to the style option, make it transparent. Next, the border type, make it solid. Width, make it 1 pixel from all side. Next, the most important thing, come back to the advanced option. So here you can see CSS class. Now come back to your pop-up form. So that is my pop-up form. Click in this option, click open, and here you can see one class. Just copy this one, this pop mark dash 335. After copy this, click in the update option, come back here, and here you have to paste that. Hope you understand. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely help you. Now here I need an image. Click in this plus option, drag and drop the image here like that. Click on that. So here you have to add your ebook image. Suppose that is my ebook image. Click in the insert media. Next, I have to click in this edit session option because in the layout, because I want in the vertical aligned, it should be middle. After that, again click in this image. Come back to the style option, adjust the width little bit. I think 50 is quite perfect. So I'm keeping it as it is. So click in the update option. Now let me check the preview. My pop-up function is working or not. Scroll down. So that is my button. Click on the button. Yes, my pop-up function is working perfectly. Let me fill all the information. After that, let me fill the phone number also. So after that, I am enabling this option and clicking the submit option. So my download link should be appear. So here you can see, click here to download your ebook. Let me click on that. Okay, my ebook is opening perfectly. So hope you understand how to create a lead generation pop-up form by using Elementor page builder, WP form and Popup Maker. I am ending this video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt, you can always ask me in the comment section. And if you really like this video and if you think this video is helpful for you, then please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.